students, how are you? Fine, very good. I'm also good. So today the date is 5th February 2021 and today the day is Friday. Our subject is art integration. So in art integration today we will make tulip flower. So can you see this? These are 3 tulip flowers. Yellow, red and yellow. And here we can see leaves. So I will tell you how you will make tulip flower by paper folding. Paper fold करके आप tulip flower कैसे बनाओगे and by the paper folding how you will make the leaves. Okay, and if these leaves are difficult for you, you can round the paper, green paper and make the green stem like this. Okay, so do you want to do this activity? Yes, let's start. To make a tulip flower, you need to take origami sheet. Here I have taken one lemon color. Lemon sheet, origami sheet, and one I am going to take green one. Green I am taking for leaf and this yellow I am going to make a flower. Okay, so first of all you have to fold this flower in this way. Okay. After this you will open this page like this and then again you will fold this paper from this side also. Okay, fold it like this. Now again you will open the sheet like this and then turn it. After this you have to match this corner with this one like this. In this way, and then again you will open the sheet and then do it from another side also. The same process you will do with the other two corners. Fine. Now can you see this? Open your sheet. Can you see these lines? Now what you have to do, you have to hold your paper like this, fold it from this side and then you have to fold it from this side also. Like this. Okay. Now your paper is in triangular shape and you can also see a fish in this shape. Okay. Now you have to turn this. You have to take this corner and fold it in this way. Same thing you will do with the another side, this side. And then turn your paper and same process you have to do from the back side also, like this and then like this. Fine. See, after that you have to fold this corner and then you have to fold this corner. So I am going to fold this corner and this corner also. Okay. See this. This is tulip flower. Now I am going to make leaf. To make a leaf, first you have to fold the paper in this way. And then you will open the sheet. Can you see this line? Now fold the paper, take this corner and fold it from both the side. Can you see these folds? Now in the same way from another side you have to fold the paper. See this. Fine. Now again another fold. This is the third fold. Fold it from here and from both the sides, this side also and from this side also you have to fold the paper. See, now again this part you have to touch with this one. See, okay. Now fold from another side also like this. Now fold. Can you see 2 points, this one and this, and then you have to open this part. इसको आपको हल्का सा खोलना है इस पार्ट को, ठीक है. Now you have to put this tulip flower in this leaf. इसके अंदर आपको ये tulip flower डाल देना है, ठीक है. See this. Or one more thing you can do. This leaf is, I think, difficult for you. If you are not able to make this kind of stem, you can fold the paper. इस पेपर को आप क्या कर सकते हो, फोल्ड कर सकते हो, राउंड बना लो इसका, ठीक है. In this way you can fold the green paper and then paste it here. Fine. So here I have prepared 3 flowers. So you have to prepare 1 flower. और आप लीफ ऐसा भी बना सकते हो, नहीं तो आप 1 ग्रीन स्टेम भी बना सकते हो, ठीक है. ओके, ये वर्क कंप्लीट करिए. Click the photograph and then send it to me. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.